Good afternoon, Colin Gainham from Karen Paul & Associates. I'm here to introduce our brand new listing at 5122 Appleby Line. You're going to be wowed at what this beautiful gem has to offer. Here we are situated just past number 2 side road on Appleby Line. And if you've ever heard that a view's worth $1 million, well, you're about to see one that's worth a few. We're offering this property at $1,437,000. And I cannot wait to show you what's in this backyard. There's an oversized driveway that can have ample parking for several vehicles, as well as a full double car garage. We have views, unrestricted views, of the entire Niagara escarpment. You'll see almost in every single room of this home, as well as the entire orientation of the backyard. Everything was planned and built to maximize the impact of the beautiful landscape we have here in rural Burlington.
Are you ready?
The rain just let up and the weather's cooperating. And if you can just see that, wow. We have an entire wraparound 2-tiered deck, as well as a full built-in swimming pool and a hot tub. Do you like entertaining? Do you like spending time outside? Enjoying nature? Well, folks, this one's for you. Wow. Moving along, you can see beautiful, beautiful pool, built-in side yard as well. We have lovely landscaping, and as you can see, sun all afternoon. We have western exposure here in the backyard and nothing to block out that sun. I'm going to take you upstairs to the second tier so you can get a full experience of the backyard before we walk into this totally unique home. Nature at its finest. So cliche, but I have to say it, it feels like you're standing on top of the world here. You're almost at one of the highest points of any property that is on this line here on the west side of Appleby Line, and overlooking beautiful escarpment. Moving on, we're going to take you right inside. So we have a lovely wood-burning fireplace, as well as some great stonework that shows off the natural elements and ties in the rural nature of the property, bringing it right inside. Could you imagine sitting with your family around a wood-burning fireplace, looking at that out your windows?
Gorgeous, just gorgeous. Lifestyle, it's all about lifestyle here.
How about eating your breakfast right out of your lovely kitchen, again, with the beautiful view?
That's a way to start a day.
Right off of the kitchen here, we do have a side entrance that exits to the second tier of the deck, and right down just at a staircase that brings you out to the pool.
Beautiful landscaping, nice pool, and again, killer view.
Over here we have a small reading nook, and what this does, again, everything in this property has been built to maximize the view. So we have a beautiful side yard. It's the front yard, but it's orientated to the left side of the property. Nice open area if you kids would like to be kicking the football around or the soccer ball around or throwing the football around. There's certainly enough room there because the backyard is a pool and a deck. Here is a bit of open space that gives you the full package. As we continue on from the kitchen in the main area, this is the front door where you would be entering the home. A lovely skylight as well. The amount of natural light that's coming through this house, just stunning. Continuing on, we have a coat closet here on the left. A beautiful bedroom on the main floor, so main floor living. It has a double-sided fireplace as well, wood burning, and again they continue the beautiful stonework. Also in this bedroom, you have direct access to the outside second tier of the deck. In addition to this lovely bathroom on the main floor, you have a beautiful bathroom and an office. So here we have a 3-piece bathroom with a soaker tub with jets, again, orientated to maximize that view. After a long day, post up in a nice warm bath and take that in. Here is a lovely sized room currently being occupied as an office. Certainly could become another bedroom, but set up very well for the office. From here, we'll go upstairs. So if you can take note, just the oversized windows everywhere. You know, I have to say, this is my favorite room of the house. This is the master suite, king-size bed, a lovely, lovely setup with window orientation. We have exposure on north, west, east, and south. So again, that's your view every time you wake up in the morning. So here we have a 4-piece bathroom, standing shower, his and her sinks, lots of closet space as well. Even the views looking east and not west over the escarpment. Rolling farmland, open fields, you really do get the sense of privacy and rural living.
True enough. But we're just minutes away from Dundas with all the amenities that provides.
Yeah, we could be back in Burlington, Troy, 3 minutes, 4 minutes.
If that, absolutely.
So, country living and city amenities. The perfect marriage. So, we'll go to this one after. So I wanted to show you another beautiful, beautiful bedroom we have. Another wood-burning fireplace, beautiful stone mantle, and again, direct access to your lovely backyard. Wake up in the morning, want to go for a quick swim before you jump in the shower and get ready to work? Well, you're all about 20 feet away from your pool. Again, on this level, we have the laundry room as well as bathroom. Stackable units, stand-up shower, and again, right off of the bedroom. Over here, we have what's being currently utilized as a craft room. This again could double as another bedroom, could become an office, could be used to be built out as an extra utility room, change room. Really, possibilities are endless. And yet again, direct access to your lovely, lovely backyard. Continuing on, here we have a storage area, And we have direct access to our double car garage. Not something you find too often in a country property unless it's a detached unit. This direct access from your garage. And again, this property at 5122 Appleby Line is being listed at $1,437,000. If you like nature, you like privacy, you want proximity of the city and an unmatched view, please look at KarenPaul&Associates.com, Karen Paul on Facebook, or please reach out to Troy Chalet or myself, Colin Gainham. Be happy to chat about this lovely property.